Hey guys, right, welcome to another episode. I've got a parcel today and I reckon it's one of my knives. So this is actually my first, I reckon it's the petrified knife. Right. Petrified Fish. Oh, look at that. I don't know if that's a sticker. Is that a sticker? It looks like a sticker. Petrified Fish sticker. I'll put that on top of there. Right. Right. Oh, we got a little cloth, cleaning cloth. Like that. So I got the Terra. Petrified Fish Terra. So I finally got one. These have been out for a while, but let's put that there. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. So it comes in D2. Gee, that's a nice blade. It's a slicey blade. I do like a slicey blade. Nice line locker. Well, it does feel nice. Just going to zoom you out for a minute. Alright. Have a look at that bad boy. She's nice, isn't she? So I got mine in the green G10. So it looks like that's been what do you call it? Shot blasted. It's got a nice satin finish to it. There. A little back spacer there. Little button screws there. It's very tight. Really easy to open way in. Oh, that's nice. It's got a little bit of a narrow bit there. So it's in D2. So let's see how good this cuts on here. Very happy with that. That's nice. Got a bit of glue on it now from the package. There you go, Petrified Fish Terra. Nice knife. Actually quite like that one. I'll do that with my left hand. Nice. So this cost me $60 in the D2. It's got a really nice slicey grind, like flat grind there. Nice knife. I think I will buy more Petrified Fish knives. There you go. Cheers guys, thanks for watching. Get yourself a petrified fish knife. It's really nice. Really nice brand. Feels good. Feels you can really hold it there too and really get on that and carve with it. There you go. Alright, cheers guys.